Hey guys, today we have a LOL hair vibes. Thank you kidfocus for sending this to us. It comes with all these accessories, the doll, and 3 different types of hairs. Here we go. It looks like a golden one. The hidden message says selfie time. I'm excited to open up this big box. It looks like your LOLs can stand on the top of it. Here we go. There's so many different kinds of surprises. What should I open first? Let's open the first surprise. It looks like a black sparkly bottle. This is a golden sparkly outfit. It's a little coat. This is some cool sunglasses. Here she is. This is her outfit on. I wonder what else there is. Her hair's beautiful. This is what she looks like without her hair. We got Disco Queen. She looks way better now. Let's see what other hair she adds. Her hair is so pretty. I think this one looks even better than the first one. Now she has a haircut. She has so many looks. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.